Okay. We're gonna feed the giraffe. She's so happy. Okay, we're gonna have Emily do it. Okay. Oh, how cute! Ooh, so cool.
You got her?
Yeah, yes, I got her.
Yeah.
There it goes. Now there's Hannah. Oh, you're not allowed to pet her. Oh, you're not allowed to pet her. But she's beautiful. Well, because they have someone helping with the petting. Oh, there's. Oh, look how it eats. It's so cool. Yeah, go Marie. Now it's Marie's turn. Okay, Marie has it. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. How cool. Okay, you, Sean. I'll do it after that.
Look at that. Oh, it's way. Oh, look at that. I want to smell you, Sean. I want to smell you.
That's cool. Okay, come here, Marie.
You gotta touch your Sean.
Here. Okay, let me do it. Beautiful giraffes at Aggieland Safari here in Texas. This is cool. College Station. Oh, look, it's getting fed. Aww. Check this out. Look at these guys. They're so cool.
There's a lot of turtles.
There's lots of them in here. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Look at that. They're being so cool. Oh, wow. Wow. He's like, I'm going to pass you up. Yeah, I don't have time for that. Yeah, I'm just going to move on. Oh, that's so cool. He passed him up. Try to do it again. Try to give it the lettuce.
Open your mouth.
You don't want it. It must not be hungry.
It must not be hungry.
Yeah, it's just not hungry. But it's very determined to come this way towards me. Wow, you're cool. Okay, let's see if we knew.
They move around really smooth.
Now, where are they? Oh, they're up there.
What did they get more name?
Animals?
Yeah.
Wake up.
Look at that. They're all just sleeping in their beds. Oh, wow. That one's kind of awake.
Oh.
Fox.
Oh, look at your ears. Oh, cool. Hello.
Oh my goodness, look at those ears. Look at that one just.
Oh,
I know everything. Oh my goodness, isn't that?
You can do it, Sloth.
There it
I
comes.
believe in
there
you.
It goes.
Oh, no, no. Oh, he's coming this way. He has a baby. Oh, that's so cool. So cool.
You usually don't see the animals move that much.
Yeah, you're actually moving. She's probably trying to protect that baby. Might protect the baby from. He's really active, but really strange looking. Yeah. Look at that. Check it out. Okay, we got a baby in the pouch, A baby's getting fed over there. Look at that. With the mama on Mother's Day. Perfect mama day. It's all about mama. Look at that. Baby in the pouch. Baby being nursed over there. Aww. It's eating. The way the mama can rest her front arms on the baby while the baby eats. Look at that. Oh, the baby in the pouch. They're all just chilling on Mother's Day. Happy Mama's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mama Day. Baby's in the pouch. That one was being nursed over there, but now it's done eating.